What's the feeling disappearing? Is there a reason why I can't stop breathing? Why am I never needed? Superseded. Yes, I apologize again. Always screaming, misbehaving. We're explaining when the story is over, giving to right. I can't do I feel guilty. Sorry, will do, but because no one needs me. Pretending me down completely. I wanted to get out of bed today, but I'm sorry for all the problems. Just give me another shot. Never in the terrible story. Tell me why the movie. I'll leave you alone. Just on where I am. I swear I'm right. Never belong. Everything. People. So I can do to my friends. Explanations. At all, and give you all the satisfaction of believing solved again. So don't forgive me. Your responsibility of I'm sorry for all the problems they caused. Just give me enough heart. But why? Goodbye. Time. Does it feel like I'm passing away? Realizing it's a sensation that I've sent in my mind. Every day, baby, don't look at me. Why, right? You die. I'm sorry for all the problems they caused. Just give me another scar. Never ending terrible scars. Tell me why I made it so. They took me to breathe. I promise that I'll leave you alone. But I found my own. I'm always the wrong way. I want this is hard. What's the feeling disappear? I can't stop breathing. Why am I never needed? Superseded. I apologize again.